Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we're looking at the distribution of age and gender for 25 people who entered a contest. And if we're selecting a contest winner at random, what is the probability that the winner will be a female under 40 or a male 40 or older? So we're gonna have a fraction here for our probability, which we can represent as P. And if the contest winner is selected at random, that means that our denominator here is going to be the total, right? So when you're taking the probability, it's the number of times that a certain thing can happen. In this case, we have it, how many times or how many ways can it be either a female under 40 or a male over 40. And then your denominator is just the total sample set, right? So if the contest winner is selected at random, it's going to be divided by just the total number of people, total, which in this case is 25 because we took 25 people who entered a contest. Now, for the numerator with our specific things that we're looking for, female under 40 or male over 40, we have to find those in the table and add them. So we have female under 40 is going to come out to here and here, meets up with 8. So there's 8 females under 40 in the contest, and then males over 40 is here, and here is 2. So between these two groups, we have 10 people, and so the probability that they are chosen is 10 out of the total, which is 25. So 8 plus 2 is 10 over 25. If we divide the numerator and the denominator by 5 each, it keeps the value the same. We get 10 divided by 5 is 2, 25 divided by 5 is 5, and we get, actually it's going to be equal to B. They did not simplify, so you're just going to keep it as 10 over 25, and that's going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.